Okay, it's an optional question. I do see it as being beyond the scope of what we're discussing in class. One thing I would do over here, just looking at the problem, there's some similarities between the top and the bottom. And what I want to do is just simply rewrite it. And again, with the hope it's going to go somewhere. So 25 is really 5 squared. So it's 5 to the 2x minus, well, let's see, I'm going to say 4 to the 2x. So I'm seeing a difference of perfect squares there. This is equal to 1/5, by the way. On the bottom, I'm seeing 5 to the 2x. Now that 20 looks a little strange over there, but anyway, let's write it down. I'm going to say it's really 4 times 5. So I'm going to say 4 to the x times 5 to the x. All right? And kind of looking at it, I got everything in terms of 5s and 4s at this point, at least. And I'm going to try to factor it. And the top is a difference of perfect squares, so it's going to be 5 to the x. Let's see, minus 4 to the x. And then you're going to get, well, let's take a look at that. You're going to get 5 to the x plus 4 to the x. Well, that's not so bad. This is still equal to 1/5. Let's take a look at that bottom now. And I'm going to factor out 5 to the x. And what do you get there? Let's be careful. You're going to get 5 to the x plus 4 to the x. Now, what's interesting about this now is that these things here, whatever they are, they can't be 0. Right? They're non-zero numbers. So I could cancel that off. So I'm going to say this simplifies somewhat to this problem over here. All right, simplifies somewhat to that problem there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to multiply both sides by 5 to the x. And that's going to be 5 to the x minus 1 now. All right. Next thing I'm going to do is get the 5s on one side and the 4 on the other. All right, the next thing, I'm going to factor out 5 to the x. Now 5 to the x minus 1. Let's see what you get over there. You'd get 5. Just adding the exponents together, you'd get, that's 5 to the 1. If you add the exponents, you get 5 to the x then. Minus 1 equals 4 to the x. All right, let's keep going. And what do you get there? You get 5, let me write this over here now, to the x minus 1. And 5 minus 1 is 4. All right, these are coming together. So it's going to be 5. I'm going to divide both sides by 4. X minus 1 is equal to 4 to the x minus 1. Again, divide both sides by 4. The only way this could be equal now is if x is equal to 1. All right, so what's the solution over there? X equals 1. Let's take a look at the original problem and just check it. And what do you get over there? Well, let's write this down. 25, this is the x is 1, by the way, or minus 16 over 25 plus 20. Well, that's going to be 9 over 45, which is in fact 1/5. So it works out pretty nicely. Thank you.